Yeah, okay, buddy. Guys. Today was rough, man. Setup wise, trade, entry wise, I'll do it again. But just, I guess the overall P&Ls, the just everything. Oh, take two losses, man. Like, okay, buddy. I mean, today was just funny. Like when I got stopped out after the second trade, I was just like, I just started laughing, and then seeing this, just like, oh, so I just wanted to crash out, bro. I mean, I kind of did in a verbal way. I was just like cursing more than usual. I try to control my cursing in general, but today I was just like, what the I was like, what the fuck, bro? Like, look at this shit, man. But gonna be gonna calm down, review it, recap it, and you gotta move on. You gotta act like later today. I gotta act like none of this happened. I don't have to do that, but I have to act like it's all okay and it's normal because essentially it is. You're gonna lose, especially in days like this where you're right and just got stopped out. So I mean, dude, the shitty thing is the fundeds. Like my alphas, I lost 700. And then I took two trades on all the accounts. And then the Lucids, bro. Oh, I should have just full ported CPI today, man, and just got it passed, get it over with. Today was CPI. I should have just like I should have, but the only reason was like I didn't want something stupid to happen. I don't know. I felt skeptical about it for some reason. Not because I mean, obviously everyone knows CPI 9 times out of 10 times it's gonna go up, but I just felt like something was gonna happen if I did it. Like I don't know. Sometimes it like goes down, and then boom goes up. I don't know, or like some just technical issue, something. I was just like very, I don't know, something. But I should have just passed this CPI, man. Whatever. I guess just going to trade, man. So since I took two trades, I lost 400. So I was risking about, well, okay. For the first trade, I lost 417, and it happened so quick. So like I kind of like lost way more than I wanted to risk. I was risking like I wanted to risk like 380. I was cool with that, but just a little over. So when I lost, it was like 417. So um, the reason why I wanted to risk that much was because that was like 40, right? 840. I'm tripping. And then 3% of this, I was willing to risk 3%. So yeah, 385. I was willing to risk more. But of course, like when I start upping my risk, I don't know what it is. This is the first trade I've taken where I've upped my risk, and of course I lost. I don't I really don't think it's about my emotions, but I mean, that's the easiest and most logical reasoning why I lose when I risk heavies because it's like emotions. But I mean, I'm being honest with myself. I don't feel like any different. I'm just taking like the same trades. But I guess let's just get into the day first. It's just funny how today played out. So obviously we're bearish, continuing that trend from yesterday. Just ugly, dude. I mean, I really don't want to blame market and blame conditions right now and blame just like overall price action. But like, dude, what the hell is going on, bro? It's been like this for the past like what? Ever since December, really, in my opinion. November was cool, I guess, but these past 3 months just been shit, to say the least. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, I can go through the journal. I said I guess I'm bearish. I mean, from yesterday, market's still pretty bearish. CPI was today and was bullish. Inflation fell, and I'm just gonna react off of price. So I mean, I was bearish, but also I was seeing it could be bullish as well, just because kind of like what happened last week. Had a red week, and then Friday we recovered really well, and so yeah. But let's just go into the trade. So ideally, what I wanted to see was price take out liquidity and push for legs higher. And of course, it's been a trend for the recent months, like take out a draw and then just completely pump to that draw on liquidity. No retrace, absolutely nothing. So when we take out this high, I mean, it's kind of less probable that for longs to play out. But you know, I was still open, and I've still been able to capitalize on trades that taken out that first draw on liquidity. So I mean, I saw that, I was like, that's annoying, but you know, I'm still open to take something. You know, ES did not take out that draw yet, and yeah, I'm still open. We have this 5-minute IAVG, so we have a liquidity sweep, 5-minute IAVG. Now I'm looking for a 5-minute retracement. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what I'm getting. Macro opens, filling in these imbalances, and then, dude, I'm looking for, well, since we had a fair value gap right here and it was so close to the draw on liquidity, I was just like, I was content with just waiting for invalidation of this gap, in which we got just beautiful displacement, break of structure, boom. And this is also why I kind of hesitate, or I kind of wait and see that next candle before entering right away when that candle closes. But like, since the reason why I just enter without kind of waiting, I guess it's because we're so close to this draw. So like, this could be hit in like a matter of 1 minute, and so I just wanted to get in, get the market buy, and getting in, and then boom, just like literally 5 seconds later, boom, stopped out. Just those losses are the most annoying. Just like right away, like, damn, what if I just waited? I would just avoided that stupid loss that I had to take. And I was like, okay, that was really annoying. And say what you want, this is not a revenge trade in my opinion. I mean, why did I enter this? Because we had clear displacement, clean reaction. And then the reason why I entered this one, we have, okay, maybe we wanted to stop people out like myself, manipulate, and then make that leg higher now. And then we get this beautiful displacement, IFVG. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to enter. And then, okay, for the live, I actually got saved. I had my stop under this fair value gap, and I didn't get stopped out. Got so close, and then ended up going up. And then I moved stops at break even, and guess what? Stops at break even. It was too good to be true, man. But on the fundeds and stuff, I mean, I don't know. So I have the bracket order. So when enter a trade, it's already at like 500. So it was already set when I got stopped out. So I was down 503 before the second trade, and then when I entered again, yeah, enter with 5, and then I guess my stop. Oh yeah, I put like my stop loss right here, I think, because this was like $230 stop loss. No, I mean, it had to be 250 because I was risking half of 500. So I guess 250 was around here. Got stopped out. At that point, I was still on the live. Still safe on the live. Bro, the Lucids, just, that shit's cooked, bro. It's so frustrating, bro. Like, I just spent a decent amount of these, and now it's like already gone because of the trailing drawdown. I mean, look, yeah, I'm like, dude, I'm less than 500, bro. I'm only, I'm $350 away from blowing on this account. 400-ish on, no, 300. What? So gay, bro. How much did I lose? You can't even see how much I lost. Like, oh, I lost like 1,600 across. Yeah, that's why. So I lost 60, and it's because I had to manually do it. I mean, this is why I say this shit's ass, dude. There's no bracket order. You can't do it when you group trade. I was trying to figure it out the other day. You can have brackets, but like one account. Yeah, isn't that convenient? So like I had to like manually see how much like I'm down, and so or I can just calculate it with the points and stuff. But I'm not doing all that, dude. That's why I like Top Step X or Platform X, which is going away now, by the way. It's say what you want, say what you, yeah, dude. It's so convenient. You enter a trade and you can just drag and drag your stop loss and take profits and see exactly at what price point you're going to lose. It's so convenient, dude. I don't care what anybody says. People say it's what, like, I don't know. Not childish. It's like I don't even know the word, but dude, it saves me so much time and stress. We gotta like worry about calculating stuff, and then even trading it sucks to an extent too because when you enter a trade, it doesn't really show you how much you're losing. So I mean, if it showed me, I would have just bumped my thing up, or I would have just took a contract out. Like I didn't know I was gonna lose 400 right here, or when I got my stop. And also the thing I forgot to mention is that cool. This is what I want to see, like displacement, right? But also another thing when that happens, it's messing up the RR. So like I'm like before the candle closes, I'm like ready to enter, right? I'm like trying to project the order, trying to see where I want my stops. Obviously, I want my take profits at these draws. Okay, cool. Let's say I have it right here, and then maybe it closes way above my entry. So now I got to see like, okay, is that too much? Do I need to take a contract off? So imagine like that thought process and having to trade on other platforms. Yes, I know I need to get a trade copier, but like, dude, like I feel like these platforms can be way better. Cause like I could like enter, and if it just told me what that's at that price, how much I would lose, and I can just drag it. It would just be more convenient. But I'm pretty sure I went over the two trades. Yeah, I could have waited for this inverse this second, and usually sometimes I do. But the reason why, like I said, we're so close to that draw. What am I gonna do? Enter right here and then put my stop. I don't know. I'm not doing that. Me personally, I'm not doing that shit. So I was just okay. If we get some nice displacement, close above this, I'll be willing to enter. Now, I mean, I didn't really have a stop loss. This video is over 13, but I just need to let it out right now. What is a stop loss based on? Oh, that's a buy. So I sold. Yeah, I have my stop loss right here, right at this, under this. I mean, bro, that's like the best stop loss I could have had. I was only going for a 1 to 1.2. Like, you're gonna give me this displacement and then go right back down? You kidding me? And then okay, you give me another good entry, and like I said, what was I doing? I was ready to enter. I had my entry right here because, like, you know, little above the invalidation, stop loss under there. Okay, I might be able to hit a 1 to 2, make back my loss maybe, and some. Okay. Oh, now I gotta, you know, adjust it right here, and maybe, and yeah, maybe I should have did better managing it because I would have never got stopped out, and then I could have, you know, it could have played out. But of course, like this happens, gives me hope, and then just comes right back down, and then just goes right back up. Like, what are we doing? It's just like, now looking at this, it's just like funny. I need some water. Like, come on, dude. Like, what are we doing, dude? What are we doing? You're gonna do this and then go up, give me an entry again, come down. For what reason? To fill this fair value gap? Oh. Okay, stub me out on my other ones, and then just go up. Like, what are we doing, dude? And then go back down again. Where we have these clear draws. And before I entered, I realized this after the fact, but dude, we have like these relative equal highs. We have these stack highs, by the way, right? Making this liquidity pool. And then I forgot we had literal data highs with these relative equal highs right here. It's just like, come on, man. You gonna do all that? But I have to take it. I have to take it like a good boy. Just so whack, bro. I mean, I don't even know. What else do I even want to say? Maybe I banned. Today's Friday the 13th, so. And we have another Friday the 13th next month. So, I mean, I was literally. I might just ban the Friday the 13th. You only get that once a year. I don't know if. I won't ever forget this day. February 13, 2026. This has got to be the worst trading day I've ever had to experience. Just so stupid. Like, today was stupid, bro. I don't even know how to tell you. Stupid. I just want to, like, break something right now. Like, now, like, recapping this again. I was kind of over it, but now, like, looking at it again, it's just like, what the f... And then, this is random, but, like, last night, I started getting, like, hella subscribers. Not a lot, but, like, and this video has 130 views. Like, what? Started getting, like, and I think they're all, like, bots. I had 7 subscribers, now I have 14. Just, like, 100% gained my YouTube count, subscriber count. And now I have, like, 130 views on this. 4 likes. Like, what? What? Okay, let's... Like, who just botted me, bruh? Oh, 17-minute video, man. Now I have to go to work later. And tomorrow and Sunday. And act like I just didn't lose, like, what, 2,600 today? Or even more. So annoying, man. It's so crazy how things can go, like, south so quick. But also, they can go really well so quick, right? It's a shitty day, man. Shitty day for a guy like me, but I'm gonna go just work out and take out all the anger on the weights or something, dude. I'm so pissed off. But like always, though, to end out the video on a good note, I'm gonna thank God for the bad times, for the good times. Give God all the glory. It doesn't matter what's happening. You gotta give God the glory. You gotta be thankful for these moments. Good times, bad times. The bad times make the good times good. And yeah, you can't have those good days unless you have days like this. So I'm gonna take it like that. I'm gonna move on, going to be positive, learn from this. Should have maybe managed my trades better. Should have used, like, less contracts or something. Everything. Just look at everything. Get 1% better every day. Move on and come back next week stronger. Monday is a bank holiday, so we'll be back Tuesday. And yeah. Last thing I want to say, I'm break even on the live. So yeah, I'm break even on the live for this week, but obviously down a substantial amount on the funded. It's just, now I'm down half a R on the fundeds. Now I'm break even on the month. So yeah, there's that. Very annoying, but it is what it is. God bless always.